it's Yuipi! Today I'd like to show you an easy way of cooking Japanese pork cutlet sandwich, KATSU SANDO, with an air fryer. I cook this quite often since it's less messy and healthier than a deep frying. Let's get started! First, season the pork loin slices with salt and pepper on both sides. If you prefer having more fat parts in the pork, using boneless rib chops will be a great choice. Then put the meat in a food stretch bag to coat with flour. This one won't make much mess with all the breading ingredients and less stressful for me. Next, tenderize the pork with the back of a knife to soften the pork on both sides. This will also allow the meat to absorb the seasons nicely, and thinner meat can be cooked faster. Now coat the meat with some flour. It gets super messy when I did this on the plate, so I like doing this in a stretch bag. I'm really sorry for not uploading any videos for a while since I was pregnant last year. And now I have a little baby girl. But be careful not to add too much flour as the eggs and the breadcrumbs will not stick. Next, coat the meat with an egg to make the surface sticky. Make sure to mix the egg well in the bag. When the pork slices are coated with the egg, take them out from the bag. This time, coat the meat with Panko, that Japanese breadcrumbs, in a tray or plate, because we can bread them nicely and evenly. I recommend breading not in the bag. Preheat your air fryer to 375 Fahrenheit. While preheating, coat all the sides of the meat with oil spray. If you don't have any oil spray, you can spread some oil with a cooking brush. Then cook the breaded meat in the air fryer for 9 minutes. While cooking the cutlet, let's toast some bread slices. Then spread butter on this. We usually use white bread for KATSU SANDO in Japan, but you can use any bread that is not too sweet. Then spread Tonkatsu sauce on the toast, as much as you want. You can make Tonkatsu sauce by yourself with ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, etc. But it's easy to just buy Tonkatsu sauce at Asian grocery stores or on Amazon. Flip the cutlet on the way to cook evenly. Then frying part is done. Now it's the sandwich building part. Place the cutlet and thinly sliced cabbage on one piece of toast. Dress the cabbage with more Tonkatsu sauce if you like. Mustard goes really well with this sandwich, so I recommend spreading some mustard on the toast. Place the other toast on top and push it down gently. Cut the sandwich into your desired size. By using the air fryer, it's easier and healthier than the deep frying with a lot of oil, but it still tastes great as KATSU SANDO. If you coat the pork with all the breading ingredients and spray a generous amount of oil evenly, you get this tasty looking crispy katsu. The other day I made the air fried katsu again, and we had it with Japanese curry and it was so good. Curry and the katsu together sounds quite heavy and guilty, but since it's air-fried katsu, it was not too heavy and less guilty.
いただきます。
Hope you like the recipe, and if you have an air fryer at home, please give it a try. Even though you don't have an air fryer, you can still follow my easy breading method. Thank you for watching and see you again. またね